iOS 18 introduces new personalization features for a smoother iPhone experience. This guide covers key topics like the release date, features, and troubleshooting iOS 18 update issues. Part 1: OS 18 Update. Release date. On September 16, 2024, Apple released iOS 18, followed by the iPhone 16 models, which went on sale on September 20th. After a public beta phase that began in July and included a large number of updates, iOS 18 was officially launched. Part 2: iOS 18 Compatibility. Which iOS devices support iOS 18? Not all iPhones support every iOS 18 feature, just like in previous iOS updates. Till now, all iPhone models from the iPhone XS and iPhone XR onwards are compatible with iOS 18. Below is the complete list of supported devices. Part 3: OS 18 New Feature AI. While not exclusive to iOS 18, Apple Intelligence introduces new features that will benefit iPhone users across a variety of apps. These features won't appear in the initial update, but Apple says they'll be rolling out in October. Part 4: iOS 18 Updates. Main features. Customize home screen, control center, lock screen, privacy, app locks, hidden apps, messages, emoji, text tools, satellite, mail, filters, summaries, maps, offline terrain, wallet, contactless pay, rewards, journal insights, game mode, performance. Part 5: what should you do before the iOS 18 update? Check the compatibility of the iOS 18 update. No risks of iOS 18. Create a backup of your iPhone. Charge your iPhone. Remember the passcode. Make room for the iOS download. Connect to a smooth Wi-Fi network. Part 6: how to update to iOS 18. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Download iOS 18 if available. Enter passcode and agree to terms. Install update. Wait for completion. Part 7: why can't I update to iOS 18? iPhone not compatible with iOS 18. Storage full. Wi-Fi blocks update. iOS version undetected. Apps may conflict. Battery low. Update stops. System fault. Part 8: iOS 18 update failed? Try the best iOS system recovery software. Apple users face errors like screen glitches or startup issues. Direct updates can fail or cause new issues. iOS system recovery simplifies updates, avoiding errors. How to update iOS without Wi-Fi via iOS system recovery. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer via USB cable. Tap on Trust on your iPhone if asked to grant the computer to manage your iPhone. Step 2. Click on the Start button to continue. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode. Verify the basic info of your iPhone and tap on Optimize. Step 4. This utility will match your device info. After that, check if it is correct. Then, you'll see the iOS version your iPhone is compatible with. Finally, select the correct one and click Next to download the firmware for the iOS 18 update.